Hi guys, hello people. How are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Guys, it is Tuesday. Yeah, let's make our beautiful and most tastiest stew, goat meat stew. Let's make it. Here's my tomatoes. So let's begin by washing the tomatoes and the pepper, then put it in the pot for cooking and to drain the water. So here is our tomato and the pepper, but I'm waiting for it to cool down so that I can able to add more of the pepper. So guys, stay tuned. It's cooking. While I'm cooking it, I'm trying to make the water to dry, water in the tomatoes to go down to dry up first before I start blending and frying. So guys, here is the tomato distilled. So I need to drain this water, then put it back. See the water that came out from the tomatoes, and I'm still cooking it so that it will dry up. Okay guys, let's season our goat meat. Yes, I added a little bit water from that tomatoes so that my pot will not get burned. You can see the meat is blocked. So let's spice it up. Firstly, we add our seasoning cube here, our garlic powder, our curry powder, our bouillon for cow, our salt, then our onion, and our turn, then cover to cook. Guys, I'm adding this water from the tomatoes that I sieved out from the tomatoes. I'll add it to the meat and cook it. I would have allowed this meat to bring out its own water, but because it is blocked, so I can't it can't come out. That's why I added this water immediately. So let's turn very well and allow them to cook. Hi guys, welcome back. Here is our tomatoes. It has already go down. So here is our onion, garlic and ginger. So let's do the blending. Hi guys, welcome back. Now let's start our frying. Let's fry our tomato, our stew. Here is my olive oil for cooking, so it's already hot. Then I'll introduce my bay leaf, my fresh rosemary. Stir. Add your tomatoes. Add our tomatoes. Okay, guys, here's our tomato. Let's stir. I'll allow them to cook. Number one, I hate this pot, but they say it's a good pot. I don't know why. They say stainless is a good pot, but why I hate it is that your food will be burning. So I will keep stirring these tomatoes till they get dry. This is much work, so stay tuned. Let's make the delicious stew. The other side, my goat meat is still there, cooking. Okay, so guys, we check back our stew. This stew, frying tomatoes, frying stew, more especially when you're making large quantity. It's not easy. It's not easy. At this time around, it's getting ready. It's almost dry. I remember I cooked it, make sure that the water was drained before I start frying it. So let's add our onion, part of it. Add oregano, add benny, add nutmeg. What is nut is stew. Add our curry. Okay, let's stir. Add our seasoning cube. The seasoning cube, whichever of them. Over here is our goat meat. It's already done, guys. That water, that tomato water that I put, that's what made the meat stock just like this, as if I put tomatoes inside it. So let's introduce this to our tomato. It's ready. Okay, let's turn. Our stew. Then check for salt. Add the remaining onion. More water. Turn again. I love this consistency. So kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Come and join me to eat our goat meat stew. I love you all.